3 days ago, I had only 200 subscribers. 3 days later, I have now passed the 1000 subscribers. Yes, 1000 subscribers in just 3 days. I am really shocked because I was stuck at 200 subscribers for a very long time. But after I applied these tricks, I have just gained 1000 subscribers in just 3 days. If this video sounds interesting to you, then please watch till the end because you don't want to skip an important step, because these steps that I'm going to give you right now are all related. So if you skip the video, you are not going to understand how each of them interrelate to each other. So the first step, is related to the second one, and all that. So please watch the video till the end, and without wasting your time, let's get started. The first thing I have done to get 1000 subscribers in just 3 days without spending a coin, begging for subscribers, or going viral is to post a high demand video. What do I mean by a high demand video? I mean, you should post a video that you think is searchable here on YouTube and what most creators or viewers are searching for. Let me give you an example. An example of a high demand video is how to get 1000 subscribers on YouTube, or how to get 4000 watch hours here on YouTube. Let me adjust my lighting because it looks like it's a bit more. Okay, so those two examples, like how to get 1000 subscribers fast and how to get 4000 watch hours fast, are high demand video titles that if you do them, you're definitely going to go viral here on YouTube. And one thing I have to tell you is that you don't need to go viral in order to get 1000 subscribers. And the reason why these two examples are high demanding video titles is because most creators are struggling to get 1000 subscribers, and others also, most of them are struggling to get their 4000 watch hours. So if you do that kind of content or that kind of video, it means that you're going to get a lot of views because that is what most viewers are searching for. And another thing is to use a clickable and high-catching thumbnail. This is where most people fail. Most small creators like me fail in creating eye-catching and clickable thumbnail. I always tell you that your thumbnail is the door to clicks. So if your thumbnail is not that pleasing or is not that beautiful, then nobody's going to get interested in clicking your video and looking at what you're talking about. So ensure that your video or your thumbnail is very beautiful, and that means that you're going to get a lot of views. And another thing, for example, when you're designing a thumbnail, I don't know if I should talk about this in this video or I think I should make this to be a different video. So let's go to the third tip. Use shorts to push the main video. Let me give you an example. If you've just posted a video about how to get 1000 subscribers in 24 hours, make a short about that video, maybe a short of a few seconds, telling people, maybe, are you tired of getting stuck at 500 subscribers? I have just uploaded a video on how to get your first 1000 subscribers in 24 hours. Please click the link in the comment section and watch that video. You know, if you do something like that, it's gonna get you a lot of views, because one thing I discovered is that short videos attract a lot of views than long videos. So use shorts to promote the longer video, or to push the longer video. And another one is to post at the right time. This varies because we are all from different parts of the world, and let me give you an example. If you are a Kenyan and your content is targeted to a Kenyan audience, then you should post at 6 to 9 p.m. Kenyan time. Yeah, so please check with your audience. When most of your audience are active, that is the time you should post. Another thing is to engage faster after uploading your videos. What do I mean by engaging faster? When you post a video and you notice that people are leaving comments or people are commenting, don't wait. Like, you post the video today, people are leaving comments. Don't wait for a month to come back and start replying to the comments. You are literally chasing your viewers away. Yeah, you're chasing potential subscribers away. So ensure that if you post a video and people are commenting, just come faster as you can and reply to those comments. That faster engagement shows YouTube that this video is really getting a lot of engagement, from views to likes to comments and to replies and all that. This makes the YouTube algorithm even push your video further, and people are going to subscribe, believe me. And the last but not least is to make it easy for people to subscribe to your channel. I don't know if this sounds funny, but you don't just finish your video and just go away like that and expect people to subscribe. No, give people a reason to subscribe. For example, your outro should be, for example, for this video, it should be, if this video was of any help to you, please subscribe. Or you can say, if you want more tips and strategies to grow your channel here on YouTube, then subscribe to this channel to never miss an important video. Those kind of outros, they are really good. You're making it easy for your for your viewers to subscribe to your channel. Or another thing, you can say, let's grow together. Hit that subscribe button. Let's become a family. And that's really a nice one. And as I have said, if this video was of any help to you, then please hit the subscribe button and let's grow together here on YouTube.